Muvia wa Kisomo ba Kenya Niweetikila. Kana Withiitwe Uituma Ilovia Nini Mbee wa Undu Vailite Kukwata Mbau Kisomo Vala Mbee wa Amanyiw'a milioni mwaka nomwe Masukulu sia secondary Matakwatite Ilovia Kana Muandiki Munene Muviani wa Kisomo Julius Bitok Easya Uandikithya wa Amanyiw'a Masukuluni ma secondary Withiitwe Uendee na Kwambata Indi Ilovia Ivathiawa Muvia wa Kisomo Iyongelekaa na Nikyo Muvia wa Kisomo Withiitwe Uituma Ilovia Nini kwa Masukulu na ke mwaka mweu no kutwelesya
Uandiki Munene Muviani wa Kisomo Julius Bitok inena vikite mbewa nzama ya wiki wa masabu mbungeni ya kati no wetakana Muvia wa Kisomo tawina unyivu wa shilingi bilioni miongo muonza na dhanda tukatono kenda siya kukwata mbau masomo Amanyiw'a skulu ni siya secondary.
At secondary school level, budgetary and enrollment data across the fiscal years between 2020, 2021 and 2023-2024 indicate underfunding of Kenya shillings 76.9 billion. The approved rate remains constant, of course, at 22,244 for secondary, while enrollment for the same period increased from 3.3 million to 4 million in 2023-2024.
Amemba manzama eno ya mbunge na iletongwe ni muyumbe wa Butede tindi mwale mayokile maukulio niki Muvia wa Kisomo Withiitwe tauthambalala kwa alimu wanene Masukulu kana Ilovia Iyongelekaa na nongi makevanga kwitene.
This time we just came out and told Kenyans this is what government can afford, and we say it is the 15,000 or it is the 17,000, so that in the planning of the ministry and strategy, it is just known this is what government can afford, so that parents are told this is what they need to pay.
The Ministry of Education budgeted 22,000 shillings per learner and 15,043 per learner. They've gone ahead to procure goods and services, knowing very well that they are going to receive per learner 22,000 shillings and 15,000 shillings, and that money does not get to them. P.S. How do we expect these schools to continue running?
Nzama ino ingine endekethia kwiko mawaluku mawanya wa Ilovia na Muvia wa Kisomo Iyongelekaa Ilovia Mbee kavindane kaumbi toka yumbula kana muthenani wa omundi silikali ni alechambe wa kimanza cha shilingi bilioni miongo eli na itatu katono ina kwelekela Masukulu kutethesya alimu kwiyumbanisya kusyokethya kwa Amanyiw'a chumwa chukite.
I believe there's enough money in this country to put in education, to persuade treasury at sector level that we cannot compromise quality of education by reducing capitation.
We have enough money, and one of the critical sectors in this country is education and security. I think we can leave all the other sectors and make sure that education is adequately funded.
And today, we are going to wire the capitation money, the 23.4 billion, to all our schools around the country. As much as the money is not enough, we want to ensure that what is available gets to school on time so that principals can be able to plan early.
Livotia vilingwa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.